Love Letters is the title of this paper collection. It comes all the way from Poland, and the name of the company is Mintay. And let me show you what's included. First of all, I'm going to flip over the front one, and you can see the detailed cutouts. There are, let me see, 24. No. There are over 50 on this sheet. Now, I know that you're not going to fussy cut out this piece or this one, but you certainly can cut out just right around the edge, and it's going to make a beautiful addition to any paper craft. And like I said, there are over 50 on this one sheet. Now, getting into the paper collection, isn't this pretty? This is on cardstock. It is all 12 by 12, and they are double-sided. So as I flip this over, you can see there is another sheet that is an overall pattern. What I love when I see something like this is that as a scrapbooker, you're probably going to put your photo right in the center, and you're going to be in good shape. But as a card maker, think of it in terms of quarters. So you can get 4 cards out of every single piece of 12 by 12 paper, and won't each of those look beautiful? On the back of this, there's an all-over pattern, florals also. Here is another of the sheets. Again, you're going to get 2 of every single one. Here's the back side with a lightly textured green. And then we have small icons that are used that mimic the cutouts that you saw on the front. And then we've got a plaid on the back of it, an all-over floral. And on the back, we've got some dots, always good to have. Then this is our cutout sheet. There are 12 cutouts here. They are duplicated on another sheet, so you've got 24. And when I turn it over, you can see you've got the same cutouts, except lighter. So if you want to do some stamping, you want to cut out one of those cutouts on the front and glue it on top, lots of things that you can do to make it really, really special. Feel free to add ribbons or buttons or dazzles or anything else to make these really perfectly yours. Love Letters from Mintay, and we're delighted to have them here at paperwishes.com.